If you're looking for a compact and efficient laundry solution for your apartment, school dorm, or travel needs, the POPETPOP portable mini washing machine is definitely worth considering. Before diving into the details, remember that the link to purchase this product at a discounted price is pinned in the first comment for your convenience. This mini washing machine stands out for its portability and thoughtful design. Made from durable PP material, it promises longevity and resistance to deformation, which is crucial for a device that you'll likely be moving around frequently. The ultrasonic cleaning technology ensures a thorough wash in about 30 minutes, making it ideal for small loads like delicates or daily wear. Its compact size means it won't take up much space, which is perfect for tight living quarters or when you're on the go. The unique craftsmanship and fine workmanship are evident in every detail, from the small turbine washer that is robust and hard to break, to the folding design that adds to its practicality. After the washing cycle, clothes only need to be rinsed and dried, simplifying the laundry process further. On the downside, while it's excellent for small loads, this machine isn't designed for heavy or bulky laundry items. The 30-minute cleaning process might be a bit long for those who prefer quicker cycles. Additionally, as a manual or semi-automatic device, it requires some user involvement compared to fully automatic machines. Overall, the POPETPOP portable mini washing machine is a great choice for anyone needing a reliable, space-saving laundry solution that can travel with them. Don't forget, the discounted purchase link is fixed in the first comment below for easy access.